Here in this question, we need to find the value of 5 minus 3 into 5 minus 3. So first here 5 minus equals to 5 minus 3 is 2 into 5 minus 3 is 2 equals to 2 into 2 is 4. But this is the wrong method. So the correct method to do this problem is by applying the BODMAS rule. So BODMAS. Here B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Let us see the question. Here 5, negative 3, bracket of 5 and negative 3. Here in this we have the bracket. So first we need to do the bracket, next multiplication, next we have the subtraction. Now right here 5 minus 3, here we have the bracket. So first step is to do the bracket. Now positive 5, negative 3, we get positive 2. After bracket, we need to do the multiplication. So equals to, here we have 5 minus bracket means into. So 3 into 2, we get 6 equals to, after multiplication, we have the subtraction. So positive 5 and negative 6, we get negative 1. So negative 1 is the correct answer for the given question.